Today I'm making an asparagus and celery soup in the Ninja Soup Maker, but it can be made in any type of soup maker. A variation of this recipe can be found in my Soup Maker recipe book, which is available on Amazon. I'll link to it in the description down below. So I'm using around 200 grams of asparagus, a couple of potatoes that weigh around 200 grams together, 2 sticks of celery, an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm also using this vegetable stock as well as some dried mixed herbs and some ground black pepper. So start by chopping the onion into quarters and peeling the garlic cloves. Then chop the potatoes, and there's no need to peel them, just give them a good wash. Next, chop the celery and the asparagus. So add the quartered onion and garlic to the soup maker jug, put the lid on and press the chop function. When that program has finished running, take the lid off and add the rest of the ingredients, so the chopped potatoes, celery and asparagus. Add the dried mixed herbs. I used 1 teaspoon. I also added 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then I added roughly 1 tablespoon of stock powder directly to the jug, followed by 800 millilitres of hot water. You can of course make the stock up separately. So put the lid on and set the soup maker off on smooth. Depending on your soup maker, the program will run for around 30 minutes. Then at the end, carefully remove the lid from the soup maker and give it a little taste test and add more seasoning if you want to. And that's it, a really quick and easy to make asparagus and celery soup for the soup maker. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments what your favourite soup maker recipes are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.